Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you
How to fade out music in CapCut.
and it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done.
To fade out music on CapCut for Android, follow these steps. Firstly, launch the CapCut app on your device. Create a new project. So to make this different, I choose a photo. Tap on the photo you like, then tap on Add. Tap Audio, then tap on Sounds. Go to Heats list, or whatever you preferred. Then tap on the music. Tap Add. Once the music is added to your timeline, tap on the audio track to select it. This will open the music settings. So now I'm going to shorten this because it's too long, and I'm going to match the duration of the music to my picture. In the music settings, look for an option labeled Fade. Adjust both Fade and the Fade Out to your preferred second, and tap on the check mark, and it is ready to export. By following these steps, you can easily fade out music and CapCut on your Android device, creating a smooth transition at the end of your audio track.
And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.